Hello everyone! In today's video we are going to be working on these adorable little crochet dumplings. So cute and so popular at markets. For this tutorial you will need a crochet hook, stitch marker, yarn needle, a pair of scissors, some safety eyes, stuffing, and some yarn. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off with 6 single crochet in a magic ring. And we just pull this tight. Now for row 2 we are going to increase. So we'll do 2 stitches in each of our stitch here and we'll end up with 12 stitches. It's 1, and put our stitch marker in. Two. Okay, moving on to row 3, we're going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. So that's 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Okay, for our next row, 2 single crochet and an increase. And I'll meet you back here at the end of this row. Okay, so we've completed row 4, so we should have 24 stitches. And now we're going to work on rows 5 through 8, and it's just single crochet all around. So I'll meet you back here at the end of row 8. Okay, we have 8 rows complete now. For row 9, we are going to do a single crochet and a decrease. Okay, now we're ready for our safety eyes. We're going to place our safety eyes between row 6 and 7. So we've got 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7 right here. And the other one over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches apart. Put this one in here. And I just purchased these safety eyes off Amazon. These are 12mm. We can start putting our stuffing in. And we don't want to stuff too much because we want this dumpling to be pretty squishy and not too firm. So I think that's good. And now we'll continue on with our decreases. We're going to continue on now with row 10, which is a decrease of every stitch. So at the end of row 10, we will have 8 stitches. Okay, we've completed row 10. Now for the next 2 rows, we are going to do single crochet. So that's 8 single crochet for each row, for row 11 and 12. Okay, so your dumpling should look like this right now. And what we're going to do is cut our yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing. Just pull this through and use our yarn needle. And we're just going to sew this up, but sew it up on row 10. So we have a little bit sticking off the top. And pull it tight with each stitch. And when you get that finished, you can just stick this through here and cut your yarn. And there you have a cute little adorable dumpling. And one item I forgot to mention at the beginning was this thin yarn for embroidering. So we're just going to put a little happy face on this guy. So we do that by inserting the needle here and here. And cut this. And there it is. Cute little dumpling. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. In my next tutorial, I am going to be making the steamers that go with the dumplings. And these are just so cute and adorable. There's all different colors and sizes that you can make. This is a little gold one I have here. And these are very popular at markets and so much fun to make. So make sure you click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.